Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this message right here. So first we should log into our Bluehost account, then we go to OX email and we click manage. After that we slide down and they click advanced, and here we should find all the information we need. Alright, so let's open a new tab. And we click my profile or home, whatever you want. Then we should go to domains and then down advanced tool, and we click advanced DNS records manage. Continue. Then we slide down. We click on bulk edit and we fill the information with the same information provided with our previous information, or just one by one by selecting just put MX, and here you should put the @ and then the mail server from the information already provided. And put it 10 and 4 hour for TTL.
If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips, and see you to the next video.